Are you responsible for the care of your elderly parents? What if there was a tool that allowed you to monitor the care your loved one is receiving using secure video and audio technology, almost as if you were there in person? Family Connects will do just that. Family Connects is an online software platform built specifically for healthcare professionals and families like yours who care for the elderly. Let's take a look at a typical scenario where Family Connects can help you take care of those who once took care of you. Joe and Elaine are married. Their kids are grown and out of the house. The happy couple now cares for Joe's elderly mother, Mary. However, Mary's health has been failing in recent weeks to the point where Joe and Elaine can no longer provide the care she needs. It's time to find professional care from an outside agency they can trust. Joe and Elaine visited 4 different facilities in Mary's hometown. For the most part, all 4 offered the same basic services and amenities for their elderly patients. In addition to the services offered at the facilities, Joe and Elaine wanted regular communication about Mary's care. None of the facilities could provide that. Then, Joe and Elaine learned about iCare Insight from some friends in a similar situation. They decided to try iCare Insight's Family Connects service. iCare Insight's representatives provide Joe and Elaine regular video and text updates about Mary's condition, photos of wounds and treatments, details about how she's getting along with staff and other patients, and other highly relevant information about Mary's well-being. Further, the Family Connect service also automatically includes iCare Insight's iCare reports, allowing them an easy way to keep tabs on Mary's medical status. Joe and Elaine can securely access this information from any computer or smartphone with internet access, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Once logged on, they can even ask the Family Advocate staff specific questions about Mary's health and how she's doing. Let's take a closer look at a live demo of Connects and how easy it is to work with.
On a regular basis, my staff and I update the Family Connects patient accounts. My job is to represent the family of these patients at care facilities. We answer questions about patient status with the same rules used when fielding phone calls, so it's easy to stay compliant with HIPAA standards. We include status updates on the Family Connects message board with voice and video messages from the actual patient, as well as updates regarding clinical changes. We'll also include patients in the video recording so family can actually see how they're doing. The video recordings just take minutes to record from our iPhones, so patients don't even have to leave their rooms if they're comfortable where they are. The Family Connects portal is also a good way to collaborate with your patient's physicians. The photos and videos uploaded to the portal can be sent directly to the physician. The doctor can then review the photos and reply back with typed and/or video responses.
Family Connects, an online software platform built specifically for the families who care about loved ones in long-term care facilities. For a free consultation and information about how to use Family Connects, please contact us. Thank you.